With rain in the forecast for the next few days, residents of Ferry district in St. Andrew are expressing concern that nothing has been done to clear a blocked drain which contributed to a massive flooding in their community earlier this month. Local representatives, as well as a team from the National Works Agency and the National Water Commission, have visited the area. But the residents say not much has been done. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
2 weeks ago, a broken pipeline and a blocked drain along the Mandela Highway caused flooding for residents of Ferry and St. Catherine. Fast forward to today, the broken water main is fixed, but not the drain.
The drain is filling back. The water is to run from here to go there, and the drain is still blocked. The China them don't pull it, that's the water can run.
Now, if rain does fall, we're going to have a serious problem. In terms of a storm, the water will come back in the community.
That may be true, but it didn't take much rain this morning for water from the blocked drain to settle in Sonia Morgan's yard. According to her, the impact could have been worse if it wasn't for the assistance of her son.
But to my son, it carry some stuff I saw it to that save me back a little. Because if you can look in the trench, the drain, it's been full in.
If the drain was working, our home would not be flooded. So it's a cat and mouse game playing on.
Our news team understands that since the flooding, residents in the community have been living on edge. They're calling for their Member of Parliament, Anthony Hilton, for assistance.
We have a winning MP and a winning councillor here and no time. It's only 4 years yesterday.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.